Why jeans have small pocket. The small pocket on jeans, often referred to as the watch pocket or coin pocket, has an interesting historical origin. Here's why it's there. Historical purpose. When Levi Strauss and Jacob Davis invented jeans in the late 19th century, this small pocket was specifically designed to hold a pocket watch. Back then, pocket watches were common, and this pocket was an ideal size for them. Practicality. Over time, as wristwatches became more popular, the need for a watch pocket diminished, but the design remained as part of the traditional jeans style. Despite its original purpose becoming obsolete, it has stayed as a characteristic feature of jeans. Utility. Nowadays, while not many use it for watches, people find various uses for it. Storing small items like coins, keys, or even a small pen. Keeping a thumb drive or memory card safe. As a spot for a guitar pick or other tiny tools. Design aesthetics. It also serves a design purpose, adding to the authentic, vintage look of jeans. Many appreciate this detail as part of the classic denim aesthetic. So even though the primary function of this small pocket has evolved, it remains a nod to the history and practicality of jeans, blending tradition with modern utility and fashion.